Okay, so I have a bigger one freezer, but the reason I bought a smaller one, which has all that, I haven't taken off the plastic yet. I like keeping it to maintain a little bit more, but it's the energy cost isn't that bad. So when you open it, you can feel the coldness. I keep this just for veggies for now. We're gonna actually keep it for popsicles and icicles, all that for my kids that they usually take up, so it doesn't take room in our big one. But as you can see, it's cold. It comes with the rack, but for now we're not going to use it quite yet. But it goes simply just in right there if you need to separate anything. But it is awesome. I love it, and it's a great little small one. Even if you don't have it as for a backup one or anything, it'd be great for a little home that your home freezer isn't big enough to hold up anything, pretty much.
Little scrape there in the corners. Haven't opened it yet. Brand new. Okay. Fire it up, or should I say freeze it up. Everything's still frozen. Really cold in there.
It rocks, so something is missing from under this end, because look, when I let it go, it just falls down.